Good morning, students. Today we will read the conversation lesson 18. You have to open your conversation book. Lesson 18. What are they used for? Today we will study about the things which are used for something, which are used to measure something. Okay? Now I will read. You have to pay attention, listen carefully, and you have to repeat this conversation with your family members or your friend. Okay? Now, lesson 18, what are they used for? Here follows a conversation on a utility of things. यहाँ पर कुछ things दी गई है जिनके use और उनके बारे में हमें बताएंगे. What is a school bag for? A is asking what is a school bag for? And B is replying, a school bag is to carry books and notebooks to school. A, what is a pen for? B, a pen is to write with. A, what is a blackboard for? B, a blackboard is to write on. A, what do we do with a piece of chalk? B, we write on the blackboard with a piece of chalk. A, what do we do with a duster? B, we use a duster to remove the writing on the blackboard. A, what is a book for? B, a book is to read. A, what are the other things that we read? B, we read newspapers, magazines, notebooks, etc. A, what is a glass for? B, a glass is to drink water from. A, what else do we drink from a glass? B, we also drink juice, milk, coffee, tea, milkshake, etc. from a glass. Here we have studied about the things which are for the used. Okay? हमने यहाँ कुछ चीज़ें देखी जो वो यूज़ की जाती है. तो किन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ की जाती है ये हमने पढ़ा. नेक्स्ट, A, what is a watch for? B, a watch is to see time on. A, what is a comb for? B, a comb is to set our hair with. A, what are colors for? B, colors are to paint. A, what is a cup used for? B, a cup is used to have tea, coffee, milk from. A, what is an umbrella used for? B, an umbrella is used to protect ourselves from rain or sun. A, what do we do with the ball? B, we play with a ball. A, what do we do with a toothbrush? B, we brush our teeth with a toothbrush. A, how often do you brush your teeth in a day? B, I brush my teeth twice a day, in the morning and at the night before going to sleep. A, what is a spoon for? B, a spoon is to have food with or to stir with. A, what is a knife for? B, a knife is to cut with. A, what is a gas stove used for? B, a gas stove is used to cook on. A, what do we do with a camera? B, we take photographs with a camera. A, what is an album for? B, an album is to paste photographs in. Okay, so here we have finished the conversation between A and B. The conversation is about the things which are they used for. Same you have to follow or same you have to repeat with your friends. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. Bye bye, have a nice day.